In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reorder pages in Bluebeam. By the end, you'll feel confident moving pages around so your PDF reads exactly the way you want. First, make sure your PDF is open in Bluebeam Revu. If it's already on your screen, you're ready to go. Having the document visible helps you confirm changes as you make them, and you can watch the page order update in real time. Next, open the Thumbnails panel. This is the panel that shows small previews of each page in your file, which makes rearranging super intuitive. You can open it by clicking the Thumbnails icon along the side panel or by using the keyboard shortcut Alt+T. Once it's open, you'll see a vertical list of mini page images. If the panel feels cramped, you can drag its edge to make it a little wider so the thumbnails are easier to see. Now, click to select the page thumbnail you want to move. You'll notice the selected thumbnail becomes highlighted, confirming which page you're working with. Selecting the thumbnail instead of the page canvas ensures you're moving the page itself, not just panning around the document. Take a second to double check you've selected the correct page. This simple pause can save time later. With the correct page selected, click and hold on that thumbnail and drag it to the position where you want it to appear. As you drag, look for a clear visual cue, a thin insertion line or indicator that shows exactly where the page will land. If your document is long, slowly move your cursor toward the top or bottom of the panel to scroll through pages, or use your mouse wheel to navigate the list while still holding the thumbnail. Move carefully to avoid skipping past your target location. When the insertion indicator is in the right spot, release the mouse to drop the page into place. Bluebeam will immediately reorder the page in the Thumbnails panel, and you'll see the change reflected in the main document. If the page didn't land where you intended, no worries, just drag it again. And if you accidentally moved the wrong page, you can quickly undo and try once more. That's all there is to it. Open your PDF, open the Thumbnails panel, select the page you want to move, drag it to the right spot, and release to drop it into place. Repeat the process for any other pages you want to rearrange, and your document order will be set just the way you need.